Hi everyone, today I will show you a beautiful flower color combination by using crimson red, carmine red, pink, and white colored pencils. This page is from Daydream's adult coloring book by Hannah Carlson. The first color that I use is Crimson Red PC 924. I color the inner part of the flower petals by using hard pressure. I love this color. It adds depth and it blends beautifully with other colors. The next color that I use is Carmine Red PC926. I blend this color with crimson red by using medium to light pressure until I achieve a faded color in the middle part of the petal. The next step is to use pink PC929 to blend the colors together. As you can see, I'm using light strokes here and I don't color the edge of the petal because I leave that space for the white colored pencil. Then I use crimson red again to add more depth in the flower. And use pink PC929 to blend the colors together. So here I'm using crimson red again so that I can add a line in the inner parts of the flower. This will add more depth and it'll make the flower look more interesting. So the last color that I use is white PC938. This is a good way to blend colors and add a smooth finish. So here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.